What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. Stage 2 of making homemade tasso, according to Primal Cajun's YouTube channel. He says after 2 days, remove and completely rinse off all the brine, set on a tray lined with paper towels to dry off the meat. I did that already. So what I have here is just a little sheet of plastic so that when I put the seasoning on, it doesn't get all over the countertop. The original video said to use Art's andouille seasoning, but for me to get it, the shipping is too high. So I made my own blend and I put it in one of these little containers here. I looked at other recipes to make my own blend. I looked at the blend for the Art's andouille seasoning, and it doesn't have the ratios, but basically just looked at the seasonings that's inside of his blend. I decided to make my own blend, and I increased from all the other recipes the cayenne pepper, so this may be a bit too spicy. I did test out the blend by putting it on my finger several days ago when I made the blend to see what the flavor compounds are and everything, and it seems to be nicely balanced. A lot of heat, but that's what this is for anyway. So if you want the ratios, I guess I can let you know Saturday after I make it to see if it's too strong or not. It looks like I might be short seasoning, but I'm going to go ahead and just season this real quick. I hope y'all didn't think I was going to forget about that bone, huh? Here we go. He says season it up heavy. Heavy, heavy. So, what you say? It looks heavy to me right there. Luckily, I didn't start sneezing yet from all this cayenne pepper. I probably made about, maybe a cup and a half of seasoning, and 3 tablespoons of that is cayenne pepper. So next thing to do is for me to just stick this in a container and place it in the refrigerator for 2 days. What I'm going to put it in is one of those foil pans, and I'll cover that over with foil paper. I rinsed this out in the morning time, but I didn't get to season it until the afternoon. So Primal Cajun, let me know if that's okay. Anyone else has any tips with this, let me know as well. Saturday we'll be smoking it. Okie dokes, this is Grow Me Something Mister. Thanks for watching, and remember to... no, I don't have an exit on yet, so see you later, everybody.